So hey everyone, it's me, I'm back, and today I've got a special guest who is watching her YouTube video, of course, Skylar. So yeah, I don't know if you saw her, but, so yeah, we are actually doing a last to live challenge, and I'm actually just going to go ahead and tell them where we're at. So we are at some place with a whole bunch of dorms. So we are actually in one of the dorms, but I bet you guys can't figure out where we're at. Right now, we are actually doing a last to leave challenge. Sky, can I at least tell them like if we're inside or outside? So we are outside right now. We are doing a last to leave challenge, and we are actually not outside. We're not outside where the grass is. We're in like this little area where there's like a screen, so you can like relax and watch your kids play inside the field. But if we go outside in the field, it doesn't count because we're still technically going to be inside of the. We're technically still going to be outside. So yeah, and if we ever want to go inside, we only have 2 minutes. So yeah, we will only have 2 minutes. And we are actually going to show you our survival items. Skylar is going to go first to show you your survival item. To show you her survival items. And then she's going to show. Then I'm going to show you. Then she's going to give the camera back to me. Because I mean, like, doesn't the guest of honor always go first? Okay, so hold on. Let me close my pen because I am trying to draw a unicorn. So my other unicorn, my bigger one, to have a best friend. So I'm going to go ahead and give the camera to Skylar, okay? So I'll see you guys later.
Okay, so I have my little area right there. That's literally all I have. So I'm going to give it back to Layla.
She is so tired she doesn't even want to show you guys her stuff. So I'm actually going to show you guys my stuff. So I have a bag. This is my first item. So yeah. So I can put all my, well, it's actually my last item. I just showed you my last item first. So my first item is water, of course. And I've already been drinking it because this is the fourth time we tried to do it. And I have it all, of course. I need some entertainment. You guys already saw my other item. I have a notepad with a pen, and I have my pretend Apple Watch. And I have a charger in case my tablet dies, because I mean, like, I don't want that, then I'm gonna be born. So yeah. And then here's my unicorn keychain. Yep, and the bag says my name. Then I got another princess called Elena right here. This is Elena Vavlois. There you go. She's looking up at you guys. So yeah, it's kind of hard to get the camera to go everywhere. So yeah, it's kind of hard. So we are just trying to stay in here. Sorry, I just needed some water. And if we go inside, we only have 2 minutes to go inside. I'm actually gonna go ask Sky. She is asleep. She is trying to take a nap. So I'm going to go run inside real quick, wash my hands, then come back, put the timer to 2 minutes again, and then ask for a devil dog. So I will see you guys in a bit. Wait, you have to leave already?
Uh-huh.
But then that means I'm gonna win.
No, it doesn't count.
Oh, we can do a part 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, sadly I don't have to leave, but she has to go home. I should be going with her, but I have to stay because I'm actually staying here for like a visit. And so yeah, so we are actually gonna do a part 2.
Stay tuned
Yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell.
to keep up.
Yeah, and to get notifications whenever we post new videos. And so, and you also won't miss part 2. And make sure to hit the like button. And because we are gonna be doing a part 2 last to leave challenge, and it is just gonna be the best.
Alright, bye guys.
Wait, here. Say goodbye. Bye, Sky.
Bye guys.
See you next time for Last to Leave. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notifications.
Ready? 3,
2, 1. Bye. See you guys later.